Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I'm gonna go from this to this. Stay tuned. Right now I'm gonna use this 24/7 moisturizing protective day cream. It's basically a SPF for me. And I'm just gonna rub it around like the outer portion of my face. Then I'm gonna go into the Clinique Dramatic Different Moisturizing Gel into the more of a oily portion of my face, which is my T-zone area. Now that I have a combination oil to oily skin, I'm gonna set my face off with a translucent powder all over my problem areas. Once everything is set, I'm gonna go over with a face mist. You can use any face mist. I'm just using this tea tree face mist and just dabbing it in. To start off my brow, I'm going in with the Anastasia Brow Wiz and Ebony. I'm starting at the bottom, then lining the top, and then filling it in. To conceal my under eyebrow, I was using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Natural, but that was cut off, so I'm showing you guys how I conceal my top brow by using my foundation shade, which is the Maybelline Fit Me 228, and then I'm going in with the Essence Lash Brow to make my brows stay in place. Now here comes the fun part, the base. So I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer and Porcelain, and I'm just gonna blend that through with a really more of a dense brush. For this whole look, I'm using the Alyssa Edwards Anastasia palette, and the first shade I'm using is the BBDC, starting off like packing it into my crease. To blend out that purple shade, I'm using the Supreme, blending that out, and then after it's nice and blended, I'm going to go back with that same purple shade and packing it back in. It's like alternating to my liking. Now I am cutting my crease with the LA Girl Pro Concealer and I believe Porcelain. Now to blend out the cut crease, I'm gonna use the shade Bees. It's more of a black shade, and I'm just gonna pack that into the outer layer. Well, the outer, cut crease. Okay, for this part, right now I'm just packing the first purple shade, and then after that, I'm gonna blend out the purple shade. This one, I'm lightly blending out the purple shade with the light brown neutral. It's from the same palette called the Supreme. Now the lashes I'm wearing is called Honey. It's my own lash collection. If you guys are interested, it's gonna be on my Instagram page. I'll leave that down below. And right now I'm using my foundation shade, the Maybelline Fit Me in 228. For concealing my under eye, my nose, my forehead, my chin, I'm using the LA Girl and Natural. And then for contouring, I'm going to use the LA Girl and Toffee. Okay, so for under my eye, I'm using BBDC, and then in the inner corner, you can say, I'm using Beast just a little bit. Now I'm using the All Nighter Urban Decay setting spray, spraying that all over my face. For my tear duct, I'm gonna use headliner from the same palette to brighten up the look. For highlight, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow. I'm not really going too hard on it, I'm just using it lightly. Now to line my lips, I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup Lip Pencil in Nude Truffle. Now for my lipstick, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in Amazonian. And boom, this is how you get the look, the final product, the final look for your, quarantine boo over FaceTime. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of this cute little quarantine FaceTime your boo kind of look, because we're not trying to go out and get sick now. We need to stay our butts home, stay healthy, don't go out, save the environment for just a little bit, just for a little while. It may be hard, but we can get through this. I believe in us. But yeah, and see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, bye.